All right, so now let's jump into what a sample agenda would be like for our fourth interaction, which is our second discovery meeting. So first of all, like I said, we're spending an incremental amount of time in each of our meetings. And so this meeting, typically you're gonna wanna target at about an hour. Maybe you might go a little bit over, but typically you're looking at spending about an hour with your prospective customer. The first part of this meeting is gonna be all about, getting to know your prospect's customer. And we talked about this a little bit, but you're gonna basically be, asking some of those generic questions, really allowing your prospect to guide the conversation and just let them tell you a lot of stuff, a lot of information about your customer. And then the second part of the meeting is gonna be kind of getting more specific around everything that they just talked about, and you're gonna actually help them, craft the avatar. Craft customer avatar exercise. So it's going to be getting into that whole thing that I just outlined with you, but you're going to actually go through that with your customer. So even though you've talked to them about their customer a little bit, at this point you're going to get a little bit more formal and you're going to actually craft the customer avatar with them. And then once you've got that avatar to a place that you feel pretty happy and pretty comfortable with, at that point you're going to do what you do in every meeting, which is you're going to schedule your next discovery meeting. It's always one of the most important steps in the process. And again, you're going to want to told your prospective customer ahead of time kind of how many meetings you're going to have with them and how long your sales process is going to take. But at this point, you're going to want to schedule your next meeting with them, and then you'll want to tell them a little bit about what's going to be in that next meeting. But the idea here is we're kind of stringing along individual interactions with our prospective customer. So again, on our agenda here, no more than an hour, getting to really understand your prospect's customer, helping them create an avatar and working through that exercise with them, and then scheduling your next appointment, your next meeting within the interaction series.